Torrential slide value equivalent to $40.0792 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $39.4906, $41.8181. The earlier day close, $41.5885. The change was 1.5093. 3.63%. Backwards rate. United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. Torrential slide conjecture for May 2024. Initially cost at $49.67. Excessive cost $61.65. While low cost $49.67. The normal for the month $54.65. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $57.62. Change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $57.62. Exorbitant cost $71.52. While low cost $57.62. The normal for the month $63.40. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $66.84. Change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for July 2024. At the outset cost at $66.84. Excessive cost $82.96. While low cost $66.84. The normal for the month $73.54. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $77.53. Change for July 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $77.53. Excessive cost $84.50. While low cost $73.44. The normal for the month $78.61. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $78.97. Change for August 1.9%. Torrential slide gauge for September 2024. To start with cost at $78.97. Exorbitant cost $87.88. While low cost $76.38. The normal for the month $81.34. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $82.13. Change for September 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at $82.13. Excessive cost $88.23. While low cost $76.69. The normal for the month $82.38. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $82.46. Change for October 0.4%. Torrential slide conjecture for November 2024. Before all else cost at $82.46. Excessive cost $89.93. While low cost $78.17. The normal for the month $83.65. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $84.05. Change for November 1.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at $84.05. Exorbitant cost $93.53. While low cost $81.29. The normal for the month $86.57. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $87.41. Change for December 4.0%. Torrential slide estimate for January 2025. To start with cost at $87.41. Exorbitant cost $94.35. While low cost $82.01. The normal for the month $87.99. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $88.18. Change for January 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset cost at $88.18. Excessive cost $98.00. While low cost $85.18. The normal for the month $90.74. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $91.59. Change for February 3.9%. Torrential slide figure for WAC 2025. Initially cost at $91.59. Excessive cost $101.25. While low cost $88.01. The normal for the month $93.87. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $94.63. Change for spring 3.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2025. To start with cost at $94.63. Exorbitant cost $117.45. While low cost $94.63. The normal for the month $104.12. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $109.77. change for April 16.0%. Torrential slight estimate for May 2025. At the outset cost at $109.77, excessive cost $122.15, while low cost $106.17. The normal for the month $113.06. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $114.16. Change for May 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at $114.16. Excessive cost $127.04. While low cost $110.42. The normal for the month $117.59. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $118.73. Change for June 4.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for July 2025. At the outset cost at $118.73. Excessive cost $142.40, while low cost $118.73. The normal for the month $128.24. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $133.08. Change for July 12.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $133.08. Exorbitant cost $133.08, while low cost $111.23. The normal for the month $124.25. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $119.60. Change for August 10.1%. Torrential slide conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at $119.60. Excessive cost $119.60, while low cost $93.43. The normal for the month $108.27. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $100.46. Change for September 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at $100.46. Exorbitant cost $124.69. While low cost $100.46. The normal for the month $110.54. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $116.53. Change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide gauge for November 2025. In the first place cost at $116.53. Exorbitant cost $116.53, while low cost $91.04. The normal for the month $105.50. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $97.89. Change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $97.89. Excessive cost $97.89. While low cost $76.47. The normal for the month $88.62. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $82.23. Change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide conjecture